I mean, in simple terms, I think 2022 is a year of land acquisition, and 2023 and 2024 will be the years of construction. That's and 2025 will be the year of first oil. So if you want to sort of sequence it in simple terms, that'll be the way it is. And like I say, construction requires two things. It requires that we have the access to the land. So we're not going to construct until we have land access, and it requires that we've built up in country the stock of pipeline that we require to lay along the right of way. And again, that's a procurement, and I've described the coating as well. So that's a process. It means that that'll take us a year or a little bit more to build up a stock of pipeline, and those pipelines will then move from the coating plant into what I've just said, the priority areas, where there will be some civil preparation there, some, again, levelling and things, so that we can store pipe that will be used along the right of way. We can start storing it in Uganda as it comes out of the coating plant. In terms of what the outside world is going to see, it'll be essentially two things. The first will be contract award. So we're now, up to now, we've been working on conditional letters of award, but we're going to switch to the full contracts. So in the month of February, as our CEO said, we'll be entering into the contracts that we need to enter into first. And from that, then the physical work and the procurement and everything else can really start to flow. And in Uganda and in Tanzania, we'll begin the land acquisition for the main right of way. So from Kabale all the way down to the border. Up to now, what we've done in terms of land acquisition in both countries actually, but specifically in Uganda, is what we call the priority areas. So we began that acquisition process at the end of last year, and in fact, just before the end of the year, I think we paid the compensation to the first 21 PAPs. So that was paid just before the end of last year, and for the priority areas in Uganda, which we're completing now, we have a total of 148 PAPs. So we'll be mopping them up, or not mopping them up, but we'll be paying and sorting all those out in the next few weeks.